Hello, and welcome back to my channel, Shaken Not Slurred, where we make cocktails of all different flavors. Cool. So, it's been a while. I missed you guys. Really excited to be back. Kind of had to take a little break, but we're back like we never left, right? So, if you've been following my channel for a while, then you will know that when I first started out, I made a BlueMotorcycle. And a lot of people enjoyed BlueMotorcycles. A lot of people enjoyed the drink. It's a drink that's fun to drink, enjoyable, tastes pretty good. So I decided to kind of do a series of BlueMotorcycle variations, right? So you can probably see the list of alcohols. Yes, all of this does go in a BlueMotorcycle if you're not familiar with it. You don't see any blue alcohol, and instead you see this green liqueur. So today I'll actually be making a green motorcycle. So before we even get started, make sure you hit that like button and leave a comment if you enjoyed this video, as well as any suggestions for any other things that you'd like to see. So let's just get right into it. All right, so here we are. So as far as measurements go with the BlueMotorcycle, it's actually pretty simple, I think, to scale it. You kind of just do equal portions of everything. So we'll be doing a ½ ounce of all of these different liquors. So we'll be starting out with our friend vodka. We just want to do a ½ ounce of this. And like I said, you can scale it how you want. So if you want more, just do an ounce. Just make sure that there's equal proportions of all of the different liquor components. Great. So then we'll follow the vodka up with some gin, just another ½ ounce of that, right into our jigger. Then put that to the side. We follow that up with some tequila. I'm not a huge fan of tequila, but some people really like it. Another ½ ounce of that, directly into it, measure it. There we go. Put that to the side. Follow that up with some white rum. Just another ½ ounce of that. Directly in there. Kind of put that to the side. We have some sour mix. We just kind of want to do another ½ ounce of that. As you can see, the reason I'm doing ½ ounces is because there's so many different drinks that go into it. So it actually ends up making a decent amount. Great. And now for the part that is going to turn this BlueMotorcycle into a green motorcycle, we have some Melon Liqueur. And we are going to actually do 1 ounce of this, depending on how sweet you want it. But I really want you guys to see the color. So there we go. You guys can see that. Kind of looks like lime juice. Pop that on there. Give that a good shake. If I can get it out. There we go. Get our strainer. And our glass. So this, we won't fill the glass up completely. We just kind of want to strain it out. You just want to kind of chill it. And just like a BlueMotorcycle, we have to come behind that with some lemon lime soda. If you don't want to spill it. Oh man, technical difficulties. All right, great. If you follow my last video on my first BlueMotorcycle, you will know that I did not have Sprite. Instead, I had Mountain Lion, I believe. So we do have Sprite now. I was able to go to the store. And we kind of just want to top that off with some lemon lime soda. If you don't want lemon lime soda, feel free to use club soda. But you want it to have some sort of carbonation effect. Great. Then, for the finishing touch, because for the finishing touch, because presentation is everything, we just kind of want to drop a cherry in there. Maybe. And there you have it, folks. The green motorcycle. Super easy, super quick, and it is guaranteed to get you right where you want to be, if you know what I mean. So, stay tuned, keep following for the other variations of the blue motorcycle I'll be making. This was the green motorcycle once again. We have some other ones coming later. So, like I said, thank you guys for always supporting me, sticking with me, and I'll catch you in the next video. Shaken Not Slurred out. I think I need to come up with a better outro. You know, put that in the comments for me. I'd really appreciate that. Thanks.